And I am live. I've been live for 10 seconds already. Hello! How is everyone doing? Welcome to Rage. This is a Rage party. This is going to be a Rage party because I'm going to attempt... Hey, look at everyone! There's Julian already, and there's Ivan, and there's Original, and there's Feisty. Hey everyone, welcome! Ah, man, this is not going to be good. This is not going to be good. I'm going to be attempting Resident Evil 2 with a knife only. I was inspired by watching Amy yesterday complete grounded mode, The Last of Us grounded mode, without any guns. And I'm like, man, I want to try this. I don't think it's going to be good. Hey, Philly! Welcome. Welcome. Ah, man, I'm not so sure if I'm going to do this, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try my best, even if it takes, I don't know, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours. We shall see. All right, so I'm going to load up a new scenario. I got a knife in my hand. Coincidence? I think not. I think not. Alright. I'm gonna do second scenario because I want to avoid... I'm gonna start with the second scenario because I want to avoid the alligator. There's no way I'm gonna defeat the alligator with just a knife. So, in Leon B, I don't have to deal with the alligator. So, yeah. I'm gonna start this stream. I'm gonna start the game. I'm gonna go make myself a drink, enjoy the cutscene, and I'm gonna tweet the stream out as well. Be right back.
In the midst of the T-virus outbreak in Raccoon City, Claire Redfield succeeded in escaping from the city, along with one of the only other survivors, a young girl named Sherry. However, behind their escape was the lone survivor of the Raccoon City Police Department, Leon S. Kennedy.
What have we got here?
Guy's a maniac. Why'd he bite me?
Mess. What could have done this? What was that? What are these things? All right, that's far enough. Don't move! Don't move. No! What's up with that guy? That was a clean hit. I'm running out of ammo here.
Wait! Don't shoot!
Get down! We can't stay out here. Head to the police station. It'll be a lot safer.
Okay. What's going on? I arrived in town, and the whole place went insane.
The radio's out.
You're a cop, right?
Yeah, first day on the job. Great, huh? Name's Leon Kennedy. Nice to meet you.
Mine's Claire. Claire Redfield. I came to find my brother, Chris.
Could you open the glove box?
Sure. There's a gun inside.
Better take it with you. You okay?
Still in one piece.
That maniac's gonna whip us! Run! Claire!
Leon!
I'm okay. Head to the station. I'll meet you there.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Knife only. Hey, Albert Wesker, and hello Chase, and hello Trimain. Welcome. Oh man, this is gonna be frustrating. I think I'm gonna be saving each time I kill a zombie. Alright, here we go. First things first. First things first. Equip it right away. Because we're good. This way? This way. Alright. Okay. I'm sorry for the noises I'm making. Oh, we have to do this. We have to do this. So now I make a run this way. Make a run. Yes. Go. Grab the key. Grab the key. Am I gonna do this? Am I gonna do this? Huh? This way. There we go. And you, sir, stay right there. Alright. So far, so good. So, what's up? How's it going? It's going alright. It's going alright. Today, I felt like a challenge. I saw Amy play The Last of Us Grounded mode with no guns. And I want to try that. I mean, try something similar. Knife only. And this is on normal mode, actually. So, I should have gone on easy. Stupid. We'll see. Where's my beautiful face? I'm playing this on the PlayStation today. That's why there's no face, because usually I play it on the GameCube. Plus, I didn't feel like doing my hair and all that. Come on. Uh-oh. This way. Whew. Nice, those skills. Hey, Rebecca Chambers, welcome. I got about halfway through the game with knife only, then it got really hard. At what point did it get really hard? I mean, I'm worried about the bosses, to be honest with you. I'm doing the second scenario to avoid the crocodile, or alligator, whatever. That's why I'm doing the second scenario, so I don't know if that's gonna make any difference. We'll see. KFC. I'm guessing she's calling you KFC because original recipe. Just gotta make sure your makeup is on point before you stream login. What? Who are you, Rebecca? Do I know you? Do you know me? No, I don't do the makeup, but I do, you know, do my hair before I switch on the camera. I have to be honest. Let's go. Leon A. Once I got to the croc, it was GG. There we go. Yeah, the croc is always GG. That's as far as I got as well on the first scenario. Second scenario, there is no croc, so we shall see. There's more zombies though, huh? Way more zombies. That's not good. Alright, so I'm gonna pick this up. I'm not enjoying playing this on the PlayStation. I'm so used to the better graphics on the GameCube. Run. There we go. Okay. Pick up another one. I think the green herbs are very essential to this game. I mean, even the red ones are essential because I think one of the tricks to get past certain zombies. I mean, let's say there's like 5 zombies or 6 zombies. You're not gonna knife all of them. I think the strategy is to gather them all in one corner, sort of. Get bitten, so you can push all of them in one go, you know, then heal. You got addicted to diet. Hey, Vegano, welcome. Nice to see you. Addicted to Died Light, played it for like 15, 16 hours yesterday. Oh my goodness. But I know the feeling. I was like that with Minecraft. I kid you not. I loved Minecraft so much. I still do, but I haven't played it in like months. Almost a year. Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Just grab the valve and out of here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. The valve handle. So far so good, but doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean anything. Run, Forrest, run! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't get attacked by crows, come on. You got this. Alright. Only a few people were there when I streamed. Oh, when I first released, I streamed. Oh. What is FO for anyway? What's FO for? Fallout? Fallout. Never mind, I got it. There's a few things I discovered in RE2. It's amazing how many years I've been playing it. Decades. Decades? Is it decades? Wow, almost 2 decades. And I still learn new stuff about this game. I'm gonna show you 2 new things that I learned this week. As long as I don't hit a dead end in this game, I'm gonna keep playing. Even if it takes me 6-7 hours to beat this. We shall see. Alright, so. Collapse. I'm just gonna see what it says. I think I never checked the door afterwards. I can't open because of the debris. Alright, let's go. Crows are gone now. I can never dodge his first attack. Never. Never! Never! I can never dodge the first attack. I hate it, but what can you do? You can skip, seriously. Oh, that's good to know. Tonight I was gonna play... here's one thing I learned. Look, lickers... I always knew that lickers were blind. Alright, I always knew that. But... I never realized that it was already applied in this game. They will not attack you. They will not attack you unless you move. Look, I'm just gonna stand there. I'm gonna have a drink. I'm gonna have a drink. Look, no, he's not gonna attack. It's fine. He's okay. He's okay. Good liquor. Good liquor. He's not gonna attack. I'm not even holding the control right now. I'm holding my drink. Oh, what the? What? 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 Oh my goodness. No. Seriously? Okay, I failed that one. That was a big fail. What? No. No, I read on the internet that they don't attack you if you don't move. Okay, don't believe everything you read on the internet. Actually, there was a video. There was a video on the internet, not just it was a video. Anyway, that was so funny. Knew it was gonna happen. God dang it. Anyway, that's fine. Lesson learned. You see, I learned a new thing. Again, fail. What a big fail. Okay, let's go. I'm not gonna save for now. It's too soon. Run, Forrest, run. Run. Whoa! Oh! No! No! Freaking way! Seriously? Oh my goodness, that's the first rage already. Unbelievable. I better laugh. Oh my goodness. Seriously? Oh man, alright. Speed run. Unbelievable. Oh my goodness. That's fine. We can do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Let's go again. My goodness, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. At least I didn't get far. Shut up, narrator. Shut up.
Virus outbreak in
We're gonna do this again. Well, I'm expecting a lot of rage on this stream. I'm gonna rage a lot. And I know I'm gonna... Oh, come on. And yes, I'm a dealer because I carried a lot of herbs. Oh man, those herbs are not enough. Shut up, zombie, go away. Let's do this. You know what? Change, because I'll forget. Come on. The T virus. I like that. That sounds like something Amy would catch. The T virus. Are you freaking kidding me, zombie? Oh, come on! Ah! Oh man. We do this. We pick this up. Already got a bite, dang it. Not good. I don't have save states, so I cannot do over. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This way, girl. There we go. Skipping all the cutscenes now because... Come on. I should have gone for the easy mode, to be honest. Let's get those herbs again. Sweet, sweet herbage. The only time I thought something was really cute in RE was when you collect those cute little raccoons. Operation City. Seriously, there are some raccoons you collect? I had no idea. And I beat the game a few times. I remember a raccoon medal. A raccoon medal in Outbreak. Okay, Vegano, thank you so much for stopping by. Take care, my friend. Have a good day. I need to focus though, huh? I can't get distracted with chat. I expect to die many times, huh? Now then. Run, 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 run. Come on! You're fast. Come on! Come on! Wow. So, I played on easy mode. When I did my knife only attempt, it didn't seem like easy mode helped how much damage enemies did. Just seemed like they give you a lot more ammo, which doesn't help. Oh, okay. But I think zombies fall quicker with knives, with the knife. I don't know. I could be wrong. The ORC raccoon mascots. I don't know. I don't know. I don't remember. But then again, last time I played it, I was carried by Jackhammer. Okay, come There's no way I'm gonna kill lickers with a knife. Definitely, I have to get past them. I have to avoid their jumps and stuff. This guy's gonna hit me. I cannot dodge. Is there any way you can dodge the first hit that he gives you? I don't think so, eh? Let's go. Let's go! And man, those jumps that they do. That's a one-hit kill, huh? The lickers. Not good. Whoop! He got me, see? Ah! Oh. I thought he hurt me. No, he didn't. That's good. I'm still on fine. Before my eyes is a wild vloggy in its... Before my eyes is a wild vloggy in its natural habitat. Run, 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 run! Whoa! That was awesome! That was awesome! How are you, cheer cabbage? I love that. Alright, we're safe here. But there's gonna be another licker here. And... I have to come back here. I just realized... that's not good. And I just realized that I can't carry any more items. Combine, combine. Yes. I'll take this. I have to come back here again. Run, run, run like crazy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. So far no damage, even though I got hit twice. I'm gonna pick this up. I'm gonna need the increments, as many as I can possibly carry. So. Now then, this one goes in there. This one goes in there, and we're gonna be okay. I'm gonna carry all the herbs I can. Hey Omega, welcome! Nice to see you. Nice to see you. I'm doing a Resident Evil 2 knife only run. I'm attempting it really. I don't know how far I'm gonna get. But I challenged myself. You know what I'm gonna do? Oh man. You know what, before I do though? Hold on. I'm gonna do a few things here. And we shall see. Oh, shotgun, you look so pretty. So, oh yeah, this is... No! Or whatever. I'm gonna have myself a drink. A sip, really. Come on, unlock. Now then. Should I save? Yeah, I should, eh? I'm gonna overwrite this one. When the Leon B is in blue, it means it's normal mode, yes? When it's in white. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna try something here. I don't know. Might take a while, but I'm gonna do this. Not looking forward to this, but gonna have to. Ah! I'm already missing, my goodness. One, two, and back up. Come on. One, two. Oh, good. Okay. I need to clear the path. That's why I'm trying to knock them out. Come on, come on. No, 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 no. Is he dead? I think he is. No, he's not. My goodness. Ah! Oh my goodness. Alright, is he down now? For good? No, he's not. My goodness! Why you not stay down? Yeah, okay, that's good. That's good. I don't care. Am I damaged? Yes, I am, but that's fine. All right, 2 down. At least they're 2 down. Okay, I'm happy like this. Should I save? Should I save? Should I save? Yes, I should. I'm gonna go down. Wow. Hey, Emily. Sorry, I missed. I missed you coming in. Hey, Ala. Welcome. I'm so anxious and nervous. Should I save again? At this rate. At this rate, you know what? I'm gonna save. I don't care. Or, you know what? No, I'm not gonna save for now. I hope I don't regret this. But at least there's like 5 or 6 zombies up there. Clearing 2 of them made things just a bit tiny bit easier. Hot foot poking action. Okay, there's 2 zombies here. Hello, sir. This way. Why you know? This way. This way. This way. Come this way. Moo. Come on, this way. This way. And good. Merry-go-round. Oh, there's another one! Can I avoid you? No, no! Oh, seriously? Oh! So good! So good! I'll be fine till I get to Birkin. Which one? Which Birkin? Now then. Now then. Is this open? Nope. It's okay. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Nice dodging. I know, right? I'm impressed with myself, to be honest with you. It's not like... Whew. But I'm very comfortable using the PS3 controller. So comfortable. All the Birkins. That is if I make it to a Birkin. That's the thing. We'll see. Remember, this is the second scenario. You have no idea how many zombies are there in this scenario. You know. I said you have no idea. I'm sure you know. I'm telling Wesker, you have no idea how many zombies are there in the second scenario. Did you just hear that? Sherbrooke is the hardest, I heard. Let's see. Oh, man. Hello, sir. No. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Sherry legs. Now the problem is this. The area's clear here, but once I go up there and come back, it's gonna be crowded with zombies. And I don't like that. Never seen this, I know, right? It's just an expression, though. You have no idea. There's a ton of zombies in the second scenario. So many. That's what worries me. I don't think I can dodge them. We'll see. So far, so good. Alright, so... this one goes in... Actually, you know what? No. Let's put these there. For now. I need to heal. I'm thinking. I'm not gonna use it for now. Hey, Implied Science, welcome. Is this your first time here? I don't think I've seen your username before. Welcome. At least Naruto doesn't have hunters. I know, right? Well, I mean, to be honest with you, knives, hunters and lickers, to me, they're pretty much the same threat, more or less. I'm not gonna attempt knifing either of them, so... I forgot to save, I just realized. That's fine. I'm gonna pick this up, actually, and save. Come on, push. Push it like you mean it. He's quitting, Kappa. There we go. Oh, Wesker, if only you could get Outbreak working on your computer. Try to get it to work so you can play with us. It's so much fun. We have a campaign going on right now, trying to encourage as many people as possible to to set it up. Would be awesome to have you with us. I was gonna play Code Veronica tonight, but I'm like, you know what? Let me play a familiar game, a game I'm familiar with. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save. That's why I came here. I'm gonna be saving like crazy in this game. If I have 7 ink ribbons, I'm gonna use 7 ink ribbons. I don't care. You have to, when you say find a copy, I mean you have to emulate it so you can get it to work online with us. It needs to be emulated. We can send you the instructions, how it's done. It's not a piece of cake. It takes time. But if I can do it, if True can do it, I'm sure you can do it, and we'll help you. Please don't mention our Outbreak. Why not? Outbreak is awesome. Come on, man. Come on, man. Alright, here we go. There's zombies in here as well. Alright, need to be careful. Alright, so far so good. Get in there. So. Here's something, here's the new thing I learned about Resident Evil 2. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you something mind-blowing, alright? I'm gonna show you something mind-blowing. You see this picture over here on Rebecca's desk, on the board, over there? You see that picture? Over there? Does anybody know what that picture is? That picture on the board? Can anybody tell me? And in the meantime, I'm gonna bring it up on screen. Bear with me though. Hang on, give me a second. No, it's not Barry's family. It's far from that, Albert. It's an amazing Easter egg. It's... I'm gonna show you, hold on. Oh no. How do I do this? God dang it. Hang on, because I can't figure this out. I don't know how I'm gonna do this on screen. I'm just gonna go ahead and save the image actually, because it's gonna save images. Where is it? Come on, where are you? Where are you? Guys, that is the picture. I'm gonna move it to the side. Hold on. That is the same picture. Can you see that? Can you see that? The same picture on the board is the picture that I just put up on screen. It's a reference to Back to the Future. It's mind-blowing. One of my favorite movies of all time referenced in one of my favorite games of all time. That's fantastic. That's just... wow. Anyway, I really wanted to show that because I just discovered that last week. It's amazing. I've been playing this game since 1998. Never noticed that. Back to the game. What did Wesker say? Isn't Outbreak PS2? Yes, it is PS2. So I have to download the emulator PS2. Yes, that's right, Albert. There's a whole procedure though. You need to download the Japanese version, and then we can translate it with a patch. I can send you a tutorial. That's fine. Sakura's been trying to do it for like 6 hours. Poor thing, she's been getting this error. I don't know if she figured it out. Let's go. It's amazing, isn't it? It's fantastic. I just discovered that this week. Alright, I'm gonna try something here. Shame we don't have a quick turn. You know what? Let's reset the area real quick. Try again. Yes, I will. I will, Wesker. I'll do that. Okay, let's see. Ah, seriously? Well, at least I got rid of one. I can get past this guy. Even this guy. But these guys, I'm not so sure. I knew it. That's fine. Oh, come on, seriously? Okay. Not good. Out of here. Okay. Yes, then you need to configure it. Yeah, but it's very rewarding. It's not easy, but it's very rewarding once you get it to work online.
Hey, wait!
Cutscene? Leon!
Claire, you made it!
Yeah. Have you seen a little girl around here?
Yeah, you just missed her. Who is she?
I don't know. But it's too dangerous for her to stay here alone. Leon, I'll go look for her. You go and find us a way out of here.
But before I
Of
forget...
course. But before I forget, here's a radio. That way we can keep in touch if something comes up.
Okay. Now... I'm gonna have to go back again. I'm thinking. Yeah, I better go this way. I'm thinking it's just for first aid spray. Yes, they are gonna remake RE2. Yes, they are. No, it won't screw your internet connection. No, sure. I think I messed up. Before. The thing is this: even though I dealt some damage to him, it's not gonna make any difference. The game resets the damage that I dealt to that zombie. That's good enough. This guy's gone. Come on, come on. Good, 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 good. Keep it up, keep it up. How am I doing? Alright. Whatever you saw, Ala, wasn't an official video though, huh? Probably a fan. Oh my goodness! Hang on! I just realized. Okay, still clear. This is gonna get crowded with zombies here. I'm expecting that to happen anytime. Alright, here we go. The main character does look like Marty McFly. What? Oh, come on. Oh, dang it. Oh, come on, seriously? This is not good. Run! Oh! Ugh. Not good. Not good. I'm doing this for a first aid spray. This is not worth it. Hey, Shiro. Welcome. Nice to see you. Hang on. Didn't I pick up the... Oh my goodness. I forgot. So I came here for nothing. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's been some time, that's right. No. Good. Bye, have a great time. Ooh, 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 still alive, still alive, still alive. Come on, quickly now, quickly. Alright, so... Look at me limping! I'm not gonna save, because I think I can... I think I can do better if I die, so we'll see. Who put you up to this madness, Loki? Well, Amy inspired me yesterday. There we go. Now then. There we go. Is there a way to reset the network setting in game for Outbreak? A way to reset the network setting. I'm not so sure. I don't know. I just followed the instructions step by step. And all the numbers are in Japanese, so you can't really tell what you're doing. So I had to count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way to 198, I think, when I was setting the DNS, I think. Okay, I have to find a way, but I'm not gonna do it now. I have to find a way to... How am I gonna do this? Let's see. Oh, man. Come over here, come on. Might as well give it a shot. 1, 2, 3. Oh. At least they're coming one by one. Oh, let's go. Come on. Because of the camera angle, I can't really tell how close I'm to the zombie, but... Come on. Come on, sucker. This is a good angle. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Are you done? Yes. Okay, one down. Whew. There's another one coming. Come get it. Patience, my friend. Patience. Somebody just subscribed. Oh, I can't see. Implied Science. Thank you so much for subbing. Thank you so much. This zombie kill is for you. If I can just... I can't see right now because the angle is a mess. But the zombie kill is for you. If I can ever... Sometimes they speed up their walking. Look. Oh, there you go. 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on. And he's down. 2 down. Alright, 1 more to go. Whew. How am I gonna kill the big dude with a knife? We shall see, my friend. We shall see. No. Come on, 2 hits. There we go. Oh, don't you dare run. Okay. I don't know, but I heard that hitting their legs has a longer range apparently. I don't know. If I can finish this game with knife only. Come on. Well, there you go. Well, at least he's out of the way as well. Did I get damaged though? No. Awesome. Alright, at least we cleared up the stairs, so I don't have to go through through the hallways down there, because they're full of zombies as well, so... Whew! That's settled. Alright, so what did I miss? I'm trying to figure out which Resident Evil games to add to my collection on YouTube Gaming, which ones you like to play, or RE1, my favorite's RE2, personally. RE1 is good as well, but I prefer RE2. I'm looking forward to the Croco. Well, joke's on you, Final. There won't be any Croco. Haha! There won't be any Croco in this one. Because this is the second scenario. Haha! Which, so RE1, RE2, RE3, Code Veronica, RE0. I like RE0 and I love the Outbreak series. I love all the Resident Evils that are with the fixed cameras. Alright, let's go. Oh man, alright, so... this one can go down here for the time being. And I'm going to... save. I'm gonna save because there's 2 lickers over here and I don't want to take any chances. And I killed those zombies. It was hard work, you know. So, okay. Once I hit 1,500 subscribers with this one, I'm gonna do a Resident Evil 2 stream with the shots again. Run, buddy, run! Okay. That's good, that's fine. We're still good. We're still good. No. No, 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 no. Alright. Are you kidding me? Just gonna make a jump for it. Ah, I had to take that one. Ah! Ah! Oh, seriously, another one. Oh, no, 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 no! I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. There we go. No, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna have the last laugh.
Resident Evil.
You see why I saved? That is why I saved. And attempt number 2. I'm gonna try something else. Hold on. I'm gonna try something else. Hug the wall. Hug the wall. Alright, alright, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Hey, thank you for subscribing, Ala. Thank you so much. Alright, let's start from this one first. Nope. And there's no quick turn. I wish there was quick turn! Okay, no problem, no problem. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Why is the game slowing down? Come on, pick it up. What the heck? We're on caution. We're okay. We're still okay. We're still okay. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Thank you for subscribing with your other channels. Come on, we can do this. Out, out, out. Run, 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 jump. No damage, please. Ooh, that's good enough. That is good enough. So, it'll be fun if there was a game. When you died, it says you died. And the font is in some boring Helvetica. And not dramatic at all. I think Resident Evil 7 is a very plain you died font. It's a very, very plain font. Alright, so I have the key and I have that plug. And I am going to put this in here. Alright, if you have many channels, there's no point in subscribing with all of them because YouTube will do a wipe of these like fake kind of, not fake, like copy channels, sort of. That's what I mean. Alright, so I'm gonna go grab the... plugs. I know, right? Plugs. So I'm gonna go down. Yeah, they have a tendency of doing that. So I'm gonna go down here. If you have a lot of inactive channels, for instance, they will just wipe them off. They do that so that there won't be any bot subscribers. That's why there's the purge. Sometimes someone has, like for instance me, when I had 1,000 subscribers, I went down to like by 40 subs because they removed like these kind of, not fake, but copy channels, sort of. Alright, what if I go up here? Trying to think. I still need to revisit that room. Trying to think which way to go. No, I have to go this way. I have to go this way. I have to do this again. Come on, Mr. Zombie. And even you, sir. This way. Oh, no, 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 no. This is easy, this is easy. It's fine, we can do this. Ah! No! I forgot about this guy. Over here. How am I doing? Ah, red caution. Damn it. That's fine. Oh, there's zombies here, I forgot now! Oh, no, 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 no. This is not good. This is not good. I have to. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get in there. That was so useless. This was just for a first aid spray that I'm gonna be using immediately. This was stupid. This was a big mistake. I should have saved right after the liquors. I should have saved right after the liquors. This was useless. Alright, let's see. Oh my goodness. Can I do this? Oh, like a pro. Okay. I'm still not confident though. There's a zombie over there. Let's get past you real quick. Nothing you can do. Oh, another one over here as well. What? What? Where did all these come from? There was only two earlier. Oh, come on. Not good. There has to be so many in here now. No, 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 no. Oh my goodness. don't need this. Alright, let's see. No! Oh man. Ah! Oh my goodness! Not good, not good. Not bueno. I don't need these. Ah! I am so doomed. I am so dead. Hey, did I get good RNG? Not on one side. That's good. I can heal. I need to get rid of this guy. Quickly, 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 quickly. Yes, 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 yes. Real quick, real quick, real quick. Pick this up. And out. No, 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 no. Oh, that had to be one, yes? That's fine. Oh, man! Wow, man! We take things for granted when you have a gun, but wow. I'm on red caution. Wow. All right. I think I've had an herb in storage. Do I? No. Nothing. That's fine. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna use a new slot because in case I messed up earlier. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. My question is big guy still gonna be there? Mr. X? Is he still gonna be there? Mr. X? No, he's not there, is he? Okay, moving on. Not doing very well. But what can you do? Now I have a choice. Oh man. Really? Come on, come on, come on, come on. I have a choice. Let's see where this takes me. I mean, I know where it takes me. Let me see how many zombies are there. I'm gonna get bitten right away. Wow! Alright, you sir. No! Come on! That was so good, come on! Ah! Come on, that was so close. No, 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 no! Oh man, I slammed on my tablet. Ah! Dodgy vloggy. Ah, okay. Okay. Alright. Wow. This is stressing me out. President Evil. Now, where do I continue? Let's continue from here again. I'm gonna try something else actually, hold on. Let's see. And that was such a good dodge. Did you guys see that? How well I dodged. Run! Vloggy dodgy. Alright, let's go. I'm curious, is he still here? No, he's not there anymore. Mr. X is gone. I wouldn't say I'm 100% pro. I'm gonna try something else. I don't know. I'm gonna try something else. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we shall try. Actually, no! Come on, sucker! Ah, now you dangered me. Up, 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 up. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Is there anything I need in here? I'm sorry, but I may have to start over again. No, I don't. Useless. 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 I'm gonna try something else. Hold on. I want to see if there's herbages over there. There are. There's two. No, I am gonna die again, but I'm trying stuff. Oh, you see. But that was good, actually. Hold on. That was good, that was good, that was good. Oh, I'm danger again. God dang it. Come on! Oh, come on, seriously? Oh, I couldn't walk. Oh! Freaking chicken. And I'm back on danger again. It was useless. A useless endeavor. I'm gonna die again. Okay, Science, nobody's making you stay. You can go. Oh. Bye, have a great time. Alright, no problem. Let's try again. Alright. Let's try again. I think I can do this. If I can get behind that desk and grab those two herbages. I'm sure I can. I'm sure I can do this. I wish I had the save state though, because if I had save state I can just repeat it right away rather than having to load each time. But it's fine. I'm gonna knife this guy first. My friend, you are in... Oh, come on. Well, you know what? At least I killed you like this. Oh, I'm on danger. That wasn't good. Don't go Wesker on me, Vloggy. What? What do you mean, Wesker? What does Wesker do? He rages. No, I don't think he rages. He just stays quiet and then he ends the stream. Look at that! He's like, I'm gonna get you, son! Oh, he got me. Oh, I pushed both of them. Nice, 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 nice! I'm better now. Whew. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, I'm on red caution though. There he goes. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, but he doesn't really rage. It's not like he goes, ah, or anything like that. Come on. No, 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 no. He reset the area on purpose. Let's try again. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try something else again. Hold on, hold on. I have an idea. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. You, sir. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. I'm gonna try something real quick. I wanna see how many zombies are here. Oh! Impossible! And I did it! Oh my goodness! Alright, 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 alright. I don't know how I did it! Oh my goodness! There's no way to save! Oh man! Wow. I keep forgetting if there's any zombies in here. But doesn't look like it. It's quiet. My heart is pounding. I haven't played Resident Evil 2 and felt like this in years. We're gonna be okay. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick this up real quick. Ah! Okay, fine, fine, that's fine. No, 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 that's not fine. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Yeah, that's right, Allah. Exactly, that's why. Alright, we're doing this. On red caution. Oh no, I just used the herb, damn it! Well, that's fine. Ah. There's nothing in this room. Out. Yeah, I mean, I believe I'm doing great too, if I do say so myself. But, wow, stressful, huh? I think there's gonna be a liquor in here as well, huh? That's still, yeah, I need to get the key from downstairs. Alright, so... I think... If only there was a way to save now. My goodness, this is not gonna be good. This guy... Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Oh, everybody! Everybody! Over here! Oh, okay. Okay, okay, okay. No, seriously? Oh, seriously? Hey, Red. Nice to see you. Yes, this is actually from the Nintendo 64 era. It is. Oh, man. Wow. Wow. I should have played this on the emulator so I could do save states. Yeah. I didn't even look at the whole crew. The moment the screen goes white and he starts fainting, that's it, I look away. I don't want to see him get chewed on. Alright, try again, I guess. Yes, we can see each other. To me, run! To me, Red Rooster is that avatar, that little picture. To me, you are that guy. Let's go. We're gonna do this. I think it was a bad idea to go over there, though. Let's try again. Hello, sir. No, 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 no. Seriously. I'm on danger already. God. Go through. No, 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 no pantalones. No, 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 no. Oh my goodness, he came in here. Okay, let's see if you are intelligent enough to go around. Yes, you are. This way. Oh, come on, this way. Come this way, come this way. No! Ah! God dang it! I'm back to being danger again. This is not working out. Ah! And back to being danger again. It's not working out, man. It's not working out. I want to die again. There's no point. Hey, G-Coms, welcome. I don't look anything like him. Well, it should represent you. They chew on him like jello. Alright, start over again. Ugh. This game. There has to be a way. So, I'm on red caution, I don't like that. Okay, G-Coms, no problem. Buon appétit! Frickin'. Oh, come on, seriously? No, 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 no. No, no, no. I'm gonna combine them. There's no point in using just one. Actually, there's a good chance. Ah! Whoa! This way, guys. This way. This way. This way. This way. This way. So it's all about RNG, actually. They weren't on that side earlier. Okay, let's go. Ah, push both of them. No, no, no! My goodness. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. The ding-ding-dong. Hang on. I think I have a... ding. Let's see, I think I have a Nightbot command. Let's try again. How are you, Sakura? How are you? I'm raging. Today is my turn to rage. Sometimes it's Amy's turn to rage, sometimes it's Sakura's turn to rage. Let's go. You did the remote access to your computer. What did you do? Why did you do that? What's going on? There you go. Nightbot knows. It's time to rage. You're frustrated and upset. You can't set up Outbreak. I'm guessing that's why. Oh, you sent me something. You sent me some errors. Okay. We'll check them out. I am so sorry, Sakura. I really wanted it to work for you. It's awesome that... It's so awesome and I wanted you to be there. Frickin'. And we're back to being... Hug the wall. Oh! Oh! And he's followed me in here! Don't rage, Sakura. Raging is not good. Leave raging for me. Leave it for me. Back to being danger. My goodness. From yellow caution straight to danger. That's not good. Run, run, run! This way, guys. Zombies, this way. This way. I don't have an extra herb though now. That's fine. We'll sort something out. Oh no. No, I'm cornered. I'm boxed in. Mr. Zombie, it's all your fault. No, no, that's it. That does it. I want to make sure that I'm on danger before I give up. Oh, red caution, actually. Oh! And bye, have a great time. I will have chilies when I hit 1,500. Philly. That's the deal. Chilies and... I do rage. I do rage. And the game is getting cheap and unfair. So yeah, chili and tequila. Next time, when I hit 1,500, I'll play this game, and each time I get damaged, it's not knife only, don't worry. Is there any other way how I can go about this? No way. Nope. Nope, no. Hold on. I'm gonna try something real quick. I'm gonna try something. This is all trial and error. This is all trial and error. I tried to take the herbs separately because I keep hoping that it regenerates more if you do it separately, and try to conserve them. That's my main concern. I don't know. I'm gonna try something. I'll try to go from downstairs, see if it makes any difference. We shall see. Hold on, I just remembered something. Oh my goodness, I just remembered something. Over here, guys. Outside. Isn't there an herb here? Oh. Okay, this changes a few things, I hope. Shiro, don't laugh at me. I'm gonna see what's it like to go through here, perhaps. I don't know if it makes any difference, we'll see. Maybe. I don't know. Ah! Whoa, come on! I could have done that! I could have done that! That's fine, that's fine. I'm on danger now, am I? It's fine. But at least I know the strat. I am on danger, but that's fine. This way, zombie. Oh, come on. Seriously, I'm cornered. Really? Really, game? You're gonna... That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. And yes, this is gonna get very repetitive, obviously. I can finish this game blindfolded. The point is doing it like this, with a knife. I can't imagine what it's gonna be like with the bosses. If I can't even conserve a few herbs when dealing with just zombies. We'll see. You can sense the anger coming out. No, this time it wasn't anger as such, because I was really testing out the area. Now I know what to do. I'm fairly decent at dodging zombies, and I know where they are placed more or less. Now when I go, it's easier to go through there. That's fine. That's fine. We're gonna be okay. I'm gonna go through this door. It's easier to go through this door. There's a lot of zombies, but I can dodge those. I can make it to the door. I just checked to see if there's another one, just in case. Here we go. Should I save? I'm gonna save. Let's go. I can dodge them. I can do this. Oh. Right, good. Good. I see? Now, okay. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Oh. Quickly, 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 grab the things over here. Real quick, quickly, quickly. Oh, this zombie over here. This guy, come on, come on. Come on, yeah. Oh, he went that way. That's fine. We're good. My heart is pounding. My heart is pounding. Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh, come on, seriously. Ah, back to being. That's okay. That's good. That's good. I'm not gonna take any chances. No! 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 Not again! Sucker! No, Sakura, I don't want you to be angry. Oh, oh, oh! Oh my goodness. I'm gonna die. What? Why you not pick it up? Sakura, don't be angry. Stop it. Stop trying to set it up then. I'm sorry. I just wanted you to play with us. That's all. That is all, my friend. We are the champions, my friend. I got a nerve at least. Let's go. Ah! That dodging, did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Can't believe I made it this far. I'm gonna have a drink. Be right back.
Sorry about that. When I saw the uniform, I thought you were another zombie.
Who are you?
Ada Wong.
And what are you doing here?
I'm looking for some guy named Ben. He's one of those reporter types, always looking for a scoop. I heard he was locked up in the cell block, only there's a wrecked car barring the entrance. I've been trying to find another way inside. If we work together, we can move this thing. Give me a hand here, will you?
Okay, so far so good, huh? Alright. Rolling up my sleeves. I'm gonna pick up the herbs from over here. There's just one? I thought there would be two here. Oh well. If I remember correctly, you raised this shutter in Resident Evil Outbreak. I'm not so sure. I have a feeling you do that. I'm not so sure. Let's go. One of those reporter types. So you mean a reporter. I know, eh? Alright, come on. Now in the armory, where you get the... I'm trying to remember. In the armory, where you open the door with the card and you supply the power, are there any healing items in there? Or is it just weapons? I don't want to do it for nothing. 808!
Ada, wait!
Let's go. There's a cannon in the back of the building. Inside the cannon there's a manhole. Let me guess. You must be Ben, right? Please, please, green herb, green herb, green herb, green herb. Yes. We're gonna be okay so far.
Let me guess. You must be Ben, right? Get up, now!
What do you want? I'm trying to sleep here.
Is this the guy?
Ben? You told the city officials that you knew something about what's been going on, didn't you? What did you tell them?
And who the heck are you?
I'm trying to find my boyfriend. His name's John. He was working for a branch office of Umbrella, based in Chicago, but he suddenly disappeared 6 months ago. I heard a rumor that he's here in the city.
I don't know anything. And even if I did, why would I want to tell you?
Okay, I say we leave him in there. Does anyone know where they put the key to this cell?
I have it right here, officer. But I'm not about to leave this cell. Those zombies aren't the only things crawling around out there.
What was that?
Like I said, I'm not leaving this cell.
Okay.
Get out of here before you lead it
Wait,
right to
follow me. Wait.
Hey, I'm not going anywhere.
Final,
I'm
final,
the only
final,
cop
final,
left
final,
alive in this
final, final,
building.
more rain, final, final.
What?
What's going on? I think somebody needs to restart
If
Sakura.
you want to live, then you're gonna have to leave with me.
I think she's glitched.
But do you even know how to get out of the city? There's a kennel in the back of the building. Inside the kennel is a manhole. Go through and it'll lead you to the sewer entrance, but it won't be easy.
All right, I'm going.
It's raining. Seriously? Wow, we didn't even have a single cloud in the sky today. I kid you not. All right, let's go. Whew. Is he? Ah, I see. Now I get the joke. Sunny here, Sakura. All right. So much for neighbor. All right, let's go. Now I have an option here. Either I go pick up the herb and have to deal with the dogs. Actually, I can't pick up the herb anyway. I'll pick it up on my... Actually, yes, I can. Should I? Should I? And deal with the dogs. Actually, you know what? I'll deal with them once I come back up. Always sunny in Philadelphia. Let's go. Come on, Spider. You never hit me into normal runs. Don't hit me now. Thank you. We're good. So I'm gonna put this here. Put this here. I'm gonna save. Wesker. I'm gonna put those plugs in right away. Might as well. And I'm going to save. Six saves so far. Move it. Oh, when I have to deal with Birkin here. Whew. We'll see. Yeah, what about the 6 saves? You try Resident Evil 2 with knife only. You do that. And make it this far. Ada? Look, he's gonna introduce himself and she's gonna shrug. Look how rude.
Ada? I don't think I've introduced myself yet. My name's Leon. I'm with the RPD.
So what? I like that. So rude.
It's a dead end.
You think we can get upstairs through this shaft? Give me a boost. I'll go and check. How cute. That little girl must have dropped this. I think I'll hold on to it for her.
Okay. So, she doesn't have a knife, so... I'm not allowed to kill any zombies here. Or dogs, whatever there's gonna be. Zombies. Alright. This way. Okay. Oh, seriously? It's okay. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. If I can kill the first Birkin, I'll be a happy bunny. All right.
Leon, can you hear me?
Ada, did you find anything?
Right here. Hey, I can't reach the ventilation hole. I'm going to have to find another way around. I'll catch up with you later.
What? Ada, wait!
Leon, come in. I found the girl, and I've cleared the wreckage that was blocking the corridor.
Got it.
All right. The problem is, I don't know where the key items are. I'm gonna save again. I don't care. Now, why did I run to the chest? I don't need to use the chest. Let's go. Run, buddy, run. No. Ah, seriously? Now then. Should I go for the herbage? Uh-oh. I'm gonna go for the herbage. Oh, it's a red herb, actually. I don't care, I'm going for it. I'm coming back here anyway, so... Ah! Good. Now then. I think there's gonna be dogs now, if I'm not mistaken. In here. Yeah. Now, lickers or zombies here? Who knows? Nothing? Interesting. Oh, zombies. Do I need to be in this room? I don't know. I'm gonna check real quick. Hunters. No zombies at least in here. Ah! I don't need the red card, do I? I think this is useless, but I'm gonna try. At least I saved anyway, so... At least I saved, so we're gonna be okay. Whew. Did you see that? Ah, man, my heart is pounding for nothing because I know I'm gonna restart this from my last point of save. Ah! Okay. Enjoy that. Why did I... Might as well. Let's see if there's anything in this room. See if it was a waste of time, and then I'll restart. Because I forgot if there's any healing items in there. Let's see if there's any healing items in here. This is ammo, yeah? No. No. No healage whatsoever. So... I'm gonna restart it. I'm gonna restart. There's no point. If I can save some... If I can save some some healing, some herbage, I can use them for Wesker. I'm looking at Wesker's username. I can save them for Birkin. Well, actually, Wesker and Birkin sound the same. Maybe they're voiced by the same guy in this game. Actually, in Zero, they sound the same. Let's go. Maybe I won't get hit by a spooler this time. We shall see. Ah! Ooh, nice. Please don't fight me. Okay, I guess okay, I won't. I will skip the Wesker fight in this game. Alright, I'm gonna do this. Okay. Pick it up. Oh, come on, really? Really? Oh, really? Still on caution. My goodness. You son of a biscuit. Fight these. Nuts. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Run. Don't catch me, doggy. I'm gonna combine this with this. Yes. Zombie in my face. No, no zombie in my face. Oh. Ah, god dang it. Now what? Caution. I didn't save her, bitch, anyway. Waste of time. I have to find a way back up without dying. Oh my goodness, there's no way! Oh, nice! Sakura. Am I on? Okay, we're good. I am out of here. You're kidding me, Mr. Zombie. You are kidding me right now. Can I make it? Ugh, yes. What? I didn't say anything. Alright, let's try something else. I know where the zombies are. I know which ones I didn't kill. So I always take the route where I know there aren't any. I like fruit. I'm a fruit guy. I'm a fruit guy. Oh, zombie. Oh. Liquors. Now then. Then. I'm gonna save. Fruit guy. I like fruits. I like coconuts. I like pineapples. I love melons. Giggity. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna go once I'm here, I'm gonna go quickly through the door which she has cleared. Run. Oh. They can't make it in here. Alright, now then. What do I do here? I don't need the diary, but I'm gonna pick it up anyway, just in case. Anything else? No? I'm so not familiar with the second scenario. I think there's gonna be a... Let's see. Some sort of healing in here. I think. Unless it's a key item. Let's find out. Oh, the crank! Okay. This is useless, yes. No! I can never avoid the first hit. Uh-oh. And the second. Oh! I forgot about that guy. But at least it's out of the way now. Liquors again. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. No! 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 God dang it! No! 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 Oh my goodness! It's amazing. Let's go again. Resident Evil. Mela. Sorry, Maltese word. So I was gonna go through here. Nope, 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 nope! We can't go through here, apparently. Hee. Alright, let's go again. Let's see now. Wow! First time ever that I avoided. But he went for the double fist thing. Alright. So far so good. I don't want to take any chances, I'm gonna heal. Oh no. You can't get in. Maybe I can use this to my advantage. Gotcha, sucker! Yeah, I figured that he wasn't. He was too wide to go through that little. I thought the passage was too narrow for him to go through, and I think that was The theory is confirmed. All right. Hey, Mac Knight, welcome. Welcome, my friend. Okay, so where do I go next? I have to heal again. And the next part is not easy. Not easy at all. Oh, there's another herb. Okay. I think I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna have to use another ink ribbon once I get downstairs, though. That wall glitch is how people kill Nemesis in RE3, knife only. But which area? It's not that. It's not exactly that wall because. What? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I forgot. But it can't be that part because obviously that part doesn't exist. That wall, that particular wall, doesn't exist in R3. So which area? So should I heal? I want to heal, but I'm gonna save like this first, and we'll take it from there. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I mean, the liquor could, maybe he could go through. Maybe he just want a few pixels off, you know? So, alright, this part again. I have to do it. I have to do it. I have to do this. Okay, go! Come on, get! Come on! Yes! Oh! Oh! Lucky Buddy is 100% pro GG, okay? Yeah, not the exact place. Just wall glitches in general. The first encounter when he kills Brad, Marvin's office. Really? Wow! I need to check those out. I wonder which is easier. If it's RE3 or RE2 to do a knife only. I went with RE2 because I'm familiar with RE2 more. Now then. One, two. Run. Somebody donated, I need to check. Who was it? Mac Knight. Thank you.
Leon Silly Kennedy.
Thank you so much. Donation hype. Thank you so much, Mac Knight. that jump scared me for a second. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I'm gonna take a sip just for you. I'm gonna slurp it so you can hear me slurp. Hold on. All right. Moving on. Oh no! Seriously, buddy? Seriously? Actually. Combine. Yes. Alright, we're good. Pika! Yes, that is my my bad impression of Pikachu. Pika! Alright, 3 is definitely easier. Oh, really? Second to last name. If you fight, you can kill him with the acid by knifing the pipes. The armor can by electricity with the light poles. I always try to do that, but I never did. I was never able to do that with the light poles. Alright, let's go. There's gonna be a liquor in here, is there? There's gonna be a liquor. No, there isn't. No. There isn't. No, there's gonna be Mr. X. We're doing it, huh? We're doing it. We're doing it. Whew. I can't believe I made it this far. And now Mr. X is coming in. 1, 2. Surprise, sucker! Okay, you walk slowly, okay? You walk slowly, my friend. I'm just gonna pick this up real quick. And I have a great time. I'm just gonna wait till he shows up on screen. Bye. Whew. Okay. He's gonna come back, is he? Yes. Let's go. Surprise number 2, sucker! Oh! How am I doing? Oops, time to heal. Run, Forrest, run! Go, go, Power Ranger. Alright. Now, how do I do this? Come on, this way. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. All of you. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Wait. Okay, okay, no problem. We're okay. We're good. And this way. Okay, good. Actually, you know what? Never mind. I'm not going back there. No. So, we're fine. We have 1 first aid spray. I have the crank. I have the gear. I need to go up there. Is it time to save? Feels like it's time to save again. Feels like it's time to save one more time. Hold on. No, not gonna save now. I need to avoid this clicker over here. Run! Okay, good. Run! Okay, we're good. I love this music. I love it so much. Now, either it's going to be a licker up here or Mr. X is coming back. It's one of the two. I'm not so sure which. Oh, neither. Okay. I confuse. Can't believe I made it this far. Cranky. Yeah, you know what, Albert? You know what? And I hate talking about other streamers, but you know how he won't share it because he keeps saying, "Well, Capcom will sue me," blah blah blah. And I keep telling him in comments every single time, like, you won't get sued. You only get sued if you make money out of it. That's it. Okay? So many people share their Resident Evil projects, mods, whatever, remakes. It's amazing what people have done. All right, and as long as you don't profit out of it, nobody can stop you. All right, nobody can stop you. You can just put it on one of those file sharing. Oh, True retweeted me. Thank you so much, True. I appreciate that. Probably he's gonna show up in stream in like 3, 2, 1. Anyway, I was saying about Rod, and I keep telling him, you can share it. They won't sue you. I don't know where you got this, that they will sue you. Only if you profit out of it, they will sue you. And now, in his last stream, he said that it's not because of Capcom, it's because he just doesn't want to share it. That's it. And he has every right to do that, but come on, don't be like that. Don't be like that. It's true what? That they will sue you, or that they won't? They won't sue you if you're not making profit. You know, if you're smart enough, you'll make it for free for everyone, and people will donate either way. And that's not selling it. You're not making profit out of something that belongs to someone else. It's just free. It's fan-made. People have created maps. People have created mods. You know, anyway. Yeah, it's nothing. I saw some dude live streaming himself. Remaking Mario 64 had no problems at Nintendo. Exactly, especially Nintendo, exactly. No. Alright, I'm gonna take a sip. So yeah, he said it straight and plain. He said it right away in chat. He's like, no, it's not because of Capcom, it's just because I don't want to share it. He just spat it out like that after all this time saying that it's because of Capcom. Now he admitted that he won't share it, not because of Capcom, just because he won't. He admitted that he's just a butt wipe. I'm sorry. But anyway, I mean, he has every right to keep it to himself, fine. You know, it's yours, but whatever, man. You're just being a butt wipe. If you're not gonna share the goodness with us. An old dust chute. Will you jump down? Yes. There's so many fan-made projects out there. Have you played Resident Evil Crossfire? Yeah, Crossfire I think it's called. It's amazing. It's amazing. I couldn't find a way to stream it though. But it's so good. It's so well made. It's like Resident Evil 3 with Code Veronica graphics. It's so good. But I can't find a way to stream it, unfortunately. I'll figure something out, but I made a few tests last week or the week before. Alright. Get that scum! Make him pay! Whatever, he can always use it as a resume, regardless if he shares it or not. Right? I don't know. Or if he shares it, he loses ownership of it. I don't think he does.
Can you still hear me? Come on, answer!
Damn! I don't believe this. I almost got the story.
Ben.
Bitter irony. The chief of police, a co-conspirator. Get that scum. Make him pay.
Hang in there, Ben.
Oh, 12 a.m. Alright, so you're like 1 hour ahead of me.
Leon.
Thank you so much for hanging out, Ala. Thank you so much. You have a good night. Get some rest. Take care. So, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so every time he streams, I'm always in his streams. And I'm obviously respectful. Like, come on man, share it. And last time I told him I'd be willing to pay good money to play this.
To the chemical
You know,
plant.
again,
I have a
I know he
feeling
can't
that's
sell
where
it,
we'll find John.
but I'd be willing to make a donation. You know? And I told him I would be willing to make a very good donation if this game, like, you know, I'd pay good money for this game. You know what he said to me? He's like, you can pay Capcom, they're making it themselves. Like, okay.
Are you crazy? The streets are still crawling with zombies.
It'll be all right, trust me. We found a way to the sewer. Follow us later.
Claire! Claire! Wait! Man, why doesn't anyone ever listen to me?
Oh, Leon, you boob. Anything in here? No, nothing? Nothing? I want to make sure that I didn't miss anything. So I'm really annoyed that he won't share it because... Come on, man. What's the point? Oh, I forgot about these guys! Spooder, don't touch me. Can't touch this. Yes, nice. I am going to save one last time. It's time for Birkin, guys. Here we go. Here we go. I am going to die. This is gonna get very repetitive, guys. Very, very, very repetitive, just so you know. Alright, I don't have any. I only have one healing item here. Wow. This doesn't look good, huh? I think this is where I die. This is where I'm gonna give up. I don't know. I'm gonna try several times. I've seen videos how they dealt with the guy. I don't know. We'll see. One last save. Here we go. The music is fantastic. Listen to it. Tonight I will die in your arms. I love the music. Ah, no, auto aim. I feel like I've got a strategy, but oh, get out of the way! I don't know how many hits. Dang it, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. My heart is pounding. I wonder how many hits it needs to take. But, alright. But I feel like I've got a strategy. I feel like, I don't know. It's not that hard, to be honest with you. No. I think I got this. He's pretty slow. Yes, exactly. And he raises his hand up in the air like he just don't care. And he takes a while before he hits. It's like he's warning you. I'm gonna hit, okay? In like 3 seconds. Get ready to get behind me, you know? So I think I got this. You could run circles around once. Yeah, exactly. We'll see. I'm very positive. I thought it was gonna be harder. We shall see. My heart is pounding, though. Let's go. I wish I had more healing though. I never had a chance to use my. Did I use it? I don't even remember. Over 9,000 saves! Look, he's still running. Yeah, of course. The music. I love the music. I know I'm repeating, but I can't get over how awesome the music is. Sometimes I just love to listen to the Resident Evil 2 soundtrack. It's so good. Sherry! Look, McKnight. Well, Birkin was trying to be a Pavarotti just now. Alright, come on. Come on, Birkin. Come get it, sucker. Ah, come on! Seriously? That didn't start off well. It's okay, we're good. Ah, god dang it. Heal, and stand up real fast, please. Okay, we're good. Get up. Get up, get up, get up! Oh, the auto aim sometimes doesn't work with the knife! Oh, come on, get up there! Okay, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, sucker! No! Whack that fly! Oh, Emily's leaving? Alright, thank you so much for hanging out. Ah, man, that was for you. That kill was for you, Emily. Wow, second attempt. Not too bad, eh? Not too bad, second attempt. Alright, that heavy breathing. You know it. Wow. Oh, man. You know what I should have done? Get one of those heart rate monitors when you can see my heart pounding on screen. So you could see it right now. Alright, so I deserve a drink, huh? But I'm in danger. I'm in danger. That's fine. I think I could have done it better, to be honest with you, if I had restarted, but I don't feel like it. Okay. Let's go. Vloggy's the man! Not leaving, just lurking. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna make myself a drink while this cutscene plays. Be right back. I deserve a drink.
Ada! What was that all about? Running off like that was reckless and stupid. Those zombies are everywhere. Not to mention that thing that got Ben.
I was there, Leon. I know.
Look, Ada. As an officer, it's my job to look out for you. But we're not going to get through this alive if we don't work together. Okay?
All right. We'll do this your way, you know.
Okay. Ada, wait! My legs! Alright, so. Okay. Ada, I'm in danger. Help me, please! Let's go. There should be a first aid spray. As soon as we get to the... So it should be fine. We should be okay. I like holding the water with my face. Here. There we go. I love doing that. I'm gonna die. Herbage. Please, give me herbage. I'm gonna pick these up just in case. So, there should be a first aid spray here. There we go. And we're back to being fine. Okay, so... not so sure if there's anything of importance down there. I think it's just ammo, but I'm gonna check it real quick. Yeah, I think it's just ammo. Oh, come on. Yeah, just ammo. No problem. No problemo. Oh, nice. Ink ribbons. 2. I should probably save, eh? Should I save now? Or later? I have another herbage here, I forgot about that. I'm gonna keep it with me actually, hold on. I better do that. And I'm going to heal. Ah, sorry, going to save, not heal. Let's go.
Ada! Heads up!
Leon,
Paolo is offline.
that woman
We see you,
was...
Paolo.
I have to talk to her.
I hope I don't get stun locked with these insects. Did I take the valve handle out? I forgot. I hope I did. Cutscene.
Don't move. You're the one who's with that cop, if I'm not mistaken. Identify yourself.
Ada Wong.
Are you asking me or telling me?
Ada Wong. I've heard that name before. Now I remember. One of the men from Chicago who came to assist the T-Virus research used his girlfriend's name as his password. Ada and John, I believe.
How did you know? Who are you?
Annette Birkin. My husband is the man responsible for the creation of the T-Virus. William Birkin.
What?
John's dead. He became one of those zombies. My condolences. And although I regret this, you will be joining him.
Ada's so
shortly.
Wong.
I won't let
Ada's so Wong.
the virus away from me.
G-Virus?
It's capable of creating the ultimate bioweapon. Its potential is even greater than that of the T-Virus.
Then that must mean the creature in the police department is...
Precisely. My husband, William. And it's all Umbrella's fault. None of this would have happened if they hadn't tried to steal his research away from him. Where did you get that pendant? It looks exactly like the one I gave Sherry.
She dropped it. I've been holding on to it for her.
Liar! Give it back to me!
Too bad.
At least I won't have to deal with the croc now. I'm so happy with that. Cat fight. Alright, so this way. No alligator, right? So what's gonna attack Ada? Nothing attacked her.
Ada?
Ada? So. Yes, I got the valve handle. Let's go! We got this. Can't believe I made it this far. You don't have healing, do you? It's just some bullets, probably. Oh, small key. No. You just upset Nightbot. Hang on, why? Ah, yeah, he understood. Yeah, it's yeah. Nightbot is very sensitive. Let's go. Run, buddy, run! Up you go, up you go! Alright. I'm worried about the second Birkin now. I know he's tougher. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Get it? Get it? What we just did? What I just said? Alright. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. I won't have to deal with the croc, yeah? Yeah? Hey, King Tim! How are you, my friend? Nice to see you. As you can see, I'm playing RE2, knife only. I made it this far, so far.
Ada!
I'll take that, thank you very much. This bullet wound isn't making things any easier.
Leon,
This bullet wound isn't making things any easier.
quiet.
Samurai sword. Yes, I've been hacking. This I've been hacking. The knife is unlimited, infinite
That's
use.
all I owe.
Don't mention it.
I just found out. John's dead.
What?
Never mind. Let's just get out of here. The sooner the better.
Okay. No, I'm not. It's been a while since I raged now. Come on. It's been a while. I didn't even rage with William. It was all good. It was exciting, actually, the fight. Look at Kingdom getting busy. Oh, what? Oh, crap. Now make a run for it. Get Ada. One. And two. I'm very worried about the next boss fight. I like this music as well. Anything in here? Okay, this part. Can we do it with a knife? I hope we can. I'm sure it can be done. Let's see. Nope. Oh man, we can't hit it. I can't hit it. Okay, I'm not so sure if I did anything. I don't know if it was all Ada or not. I don't know. Oh, I love this music as well. I'm just gonna switch this on just for fun. GG Ada. I'm not so sure if it was Ada or not. I don't know. This This music is fantastic. I don't feel like dealing with this, but I'm gonna have to. Help me, Ada, help me! Oh, nice! Oh, come on, Ada. Nice! Keep it up, Ada. I don't think I need to go there because it's just shotgun parts or something. Let's go. Okay, so it was just her then. Okay, that's good to know. I always fire. Alright, again, Ada. It's all up to you now. Come on, Ada. Do some work. Please, please shoot. Come on, Ada. Or at least. Am I hurt? No, we're good. There's another zombie in here. Do you want to handle it, please? Or just want to... Help me, Ada, please! Alright, GG, Ada. You're doing good. Oh! Okay, okay, okay. Ada, please do something, Ada. There we go. Nice! Let's go. I'm already happy I made it this far. To me, it's already a big accomplishment, just with the knife. Come on.
We finally arrived. There must be something
Teamwork,
hidden
yeah.
here.
I think it's the first time Ada was ever useful to me. There's another first aid spray over there. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reorganize myself real quick. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Music is awesome. I'm gonna save. Or should I not? I mean, it's just gonna be the Mr. Big Guy, eh? No, I'm gonna avoid saving for now. It's just the Mr. Big Guy. I can handle him. Nothing here, eh? No healage. Probably some bullets. Yeah, I figured. Okay. This area is so well made in RE0. I'm gonna give a shout out to my friend Eddie. He's watching me right now. He texted me on my phone. He's like, I'm watching you on YouTube. He's like, it's Resident Evil 2, right? Yes, it is, buddy. One of my favorite games of all time, and I'm playing it with knife only. Will you take the control panel key? Thank you very much. And on the screen, we're gonna see. Oh no, he's coming. Okay, I can never dodge the first attack, but... Come on, come on. First attack. Never. No, no. Oof. How am I doing? I always expect to get hit by the first one, always. Alright. Alright, we're good. We're good. So far, so good. Boss fight. My friend texted me again saying, "Yay, you mentioned me!" Alright, so, what's next? I'm gonna... hold on. Before I save...
Come on, let's go.
Good vodka. Alright, so, save. This fight's gonna be something. Be right back, I need to grab my beer for this one. I'm scared, Wesker. I think I'm gonna disappoint you, senpai. I think I'm gonna disappoint you. I should have grabbed the items from the item box first. That's fine. I need all the healing items I can use. Which is this and this. That's all I have. Vloggy focus buddy. Yes, I need to focus now, huh? For real. Hey, Sazzy, welcome. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, miss. Alright, so, I'm hoping there is some herbage here. I don't think so. This is just wishful thinking. Nope, nothing. I think there's one. I think there's a healing item in the tram. Not so sure. I'm gonna check real quick.
Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of there!
Here we go. Knife only. Nah, that's not useful. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. The game developers are very smart, because the first idea I had when I fought this boss was like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna climb the sledge so he won't be able to come up here. But then it says, Zorak, I can't get inside, so it won't let you climb the sledge. Alright, ready, buddy? Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's do this. It's not good. Oh, listen to the music. Alright, come get it, sucker! Oh, wow, that was strong. Whoa, he's wrecking me! How do I do this? Oh man, he's got good range. Danger already. Wow! Okay, there's no strap for this guy. Oh! How am I gonna do this? Come on. What, he's jumping here and there? Okay. My heart is pounding once again. Come on, sucker! Whoa! I found a weakness! I found a weakness in his attack. Oh, not that one. It wasn't that one. Come on, sucker! Come get it! That is it. That is it. You see? Oh man, I have to be fast though. You see? I need to... You see how it's done? Should I heal? No. Alright, I should heal now. Oh! What? Really? Wow. Ah! Wow, he's got a very long range. No, okay. Okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. For a first attempt, I think that went well, to be honest with you. If I do say so myself. I don't know. Trying to beat my high score in RE6 Mercenaries. Nice. The problem I have now is that I have to go through the cutscenes again. Okay, try again. I'm regretting not trying this on the GameCube. I would have done save states. No, I expected that to happen, King Tim. That's fine. I expected that to happen. It's fine. No problem. No problemo. Okay. Where was I? Oh yeah, grab the stuff. You found openings in this attack. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Should I just use this? Should I just use this? Hmm? I'm kidding. I kid very much. Let's go. Have a sip. Kingdom is never gonna let that go. He's never gonna let that one go. Yes, that one time I was looking for an item box in RE0. Yeah. Speaking of item box and RE0, did you know that the remake that Rod Lima did of Resident Evil 2 does not have an item box, if I'm not mistaken? You can actually drop the stuff on the floor like RE0.
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
Here we go again. Alright, I get it. I expect to die a few more times, it's fine. But I'm learning. And each time it's gonna get a bit better. If I can kill this guy, I think I would have finished the game. My friend Eddie's off to bed. Good night, buddy. Thank you so much for hanging out. Take care, Eddie. Come on. The only thing is that it has his attacks have a very long range. They can actually hit you from far away, and that is not good. Come on, sucker! I think this is the right place to fight him. Unless he's jumping. Come get it, sucker! Come over here. Get over! No! Ah. Oh man, I need to be right behind him. Hold on, hold on. I can take another hit. Okay. Oh, wow. No! Auto-aim, please work! Ah, man. Whew. I can take another hit. Like that one. Ah! Couldn't get around it. Ah! Yeah, I knew that attack was gonna happen, but I was doomed anyway, so I just took it. Alright. No item box in his remake? Never know. Yeah. Yeah. Whew. Alright. That's not easy. That's not easy. Should I watch a video? Should I watch a video, see how it's done? Maybe I should. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, and I'll be right back. I'll try again in a sec. Hold on. Might as well load the game. Do you think I was close? Do you think I was close, Wesker? How did you know that? Is it because of that attack that he did in the end? I could have dodged that easily, but I thought I'm doomed anyway, so might as well take it. Because once he brings up all his arms, yeah, he's close. Really? Wow. Okay, I didn't know that. I'm not very familiar with the second scenario, you see, so I wouldn't... Interesting. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna load the game up and... I'm gonna load the game up and I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. Time for a wee-wee. Be right back. And he's back. I didn't really go to pee. What I did was I want to punch the wall with rage. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm gonna do this. I have a good feeling. This is all I have for healage. Oh, I forgot to switch on the... Noob! Noob! I'm looking at my Funko Pops, they distracted me. I will reward myself with another drink if I defeat this boss. But if I don't defeat this boss, no drink for me. Midnight right now, local time. Not that anybody asked.
Ada!
I'm looking at the watch.
Ada!
It says midnight.
Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it.
If I defeat this boss, I think I'm done with the game, because I can't think of any other bosses that are hard. Alright, let's go. This is the right place. This is the good spot. Come over here, buddy! Ugh! Oh, crap! No, 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 no. Already? I can take another hit. Ah! Okay, that was good. Ah, no, 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 no! I haven't done anything yet. I don't care, I'm just gonna go like this. I'm just trying a new strategy, to be honest with you. Ah! No! No, 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 no! I was trying a new strategy. Final time, Mr. X gonna be tough. He's fast. Yes, but you just need to dodge him, no? You don't need to shoot him or anything. Just dodge. Yeah, the final tyrant. So I don't think it's gonna be that hard. You just need to keep dodging until she throws the rocket launcher. Is that right? I don't need to shoot him. Is that correct? I was trying a new strategy here. Just stand there and just keep slicing him until he dies, and whoever kills each other first. I was gonna try for that strategy. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it again. But yeah, I don't... Ugh, what am I doing? I thought you had to damage him enough to get the drop. I might be wrong too, I don't know now. I don't know, my first strategy is gonna keep dodging until a rocket launcher appears. There's no way I'm gonna knife him. Oh, I'm gonna do the same mistake again. There's no way I'm gonna be able to knife him until she throws the rocket launcher. He's too fast, like you said. I don't know, I'll look that up. If I can beat him, William, this William, I'll be happy that I made it this far.
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
Let's go. I'm gonna try the strategy again. Just stand there and slice until one of us dies first. I'm gonna try that. This is the run. I don't know. I'm experimenting, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna do the strategy. Just gonna experiment. Then there's the final blob. Yeah, but again, the final blob, you just stand there and knife. That's fine. That's fine. All you gotta do is knife with that blob. That's fine. The worst ones are the ones that jump around and attack. Get it, sucker. I'm gonna stand here. I think this is where he's gonna land. Hang on. Danger. That attack! That attack! No! I got closer. I got closer. Okay, I got closer. I feel like I got closer. If I can dodge a few hits. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So far, I'm not even tempted to give up. I feel like I'm doing good progress, and as long as that's happening, I'm still motivated. Yeah, not to mention zombies and lickers in the labs, though, huh? I don't know how many I would have to dodge and deal with. So, we'll see. Oh, and by the way, Wesker, I made it this far. Come on, you can too. I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna attempt this again some other time, and I will do it on the GameCube, so I'll do some save states. Because it's easier. I have to put up with the cutscenes every single time. Yeah,
Ada!
you should.
Ada, can you hear me? Come on.
But it's good to
snap
take
out
a
of
break
it.
sometimes, because, like you said, you burn yourself out and you don't want that. Code Veronica on iPhone, Liran. Wow, that's one of the hardest Resident Evils. Is it? I never played. I mean, I have played it, but probably made it through like 10% of the game. I never finished it. I would love to give it a go one day. Come on, William. Come on. No, it's not good. I can't turn around. This range is so good. This way. Oh, look at that. It's fantastic. Oh, not doing anything now. Oh. Run straight. Come on, do it again. The attack, come on. Ah! Stupid auto-aim doesn't always work with the knife. I've noticed that. Oh, look at that! Didn't work! Damn it! I feel like I'm getting close. I feel like I'm getting close. From the little bit that I played, I felt like Code Veronica is very hard. But I cannot say it's the hardest game I ever played because I cannot say it's the hardest Resident Evil because I never finished it, so I cannot really give an opinion. But I did finish Zero, so I think Zero is the hardest from the ones that I played. Really? Really close? Okay, that's good. I'm gonna take my lucky sip. Give it another go. His stupid range is so powerful. I mean, I could be behind him and sometimes he even hits me from behind. Giggity. But alright, let's try again. I watched Rage play Zero yesterday. I felt in the mood to stream it as well. But I wanted to play something more familiar. And I'm very familiar with RE2. Well, you've played both, so you can tell more than I have. Because I never finished Code Veronica, so... Let's go again. If I can get some good dodges and save some healing.
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
I've seen people doing this with a knife and no damage. Can you imagine that? Come on, sucker. Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness. Oh. I feel like I need to start over. Let's try again. Let's go this way. Not even hitting him now. Son of a biscuit. Get over here. Ah! I'm done for. Damn it. When can I play Operation Raccoon City? It's been a while, eh? It's been a while. We should sometime. After I beat this. Wow. Yeah, exactly, a lot of practice.
Resident Evil 2.
Operation Raccoon City was really fun last time, huh? All of us on Discord. I am feeling so hot, I'm about to take my shirt off. This game is giving me the sweats. I kid you not. Maybe it's the alcohol, I don't know. I'd really love to kill this guy.
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
Okay. If I can hit him a few times before he hits me... Because that's the strategy I'm trying to go for. I mean, kill him before he kills me. I mean, obviously. But, I don't know. I'm not trying to use, like, some sort of strategy. Like, really, just... Knife before he kills me. If I can get a few dodges, I'm gonna be okay. Let's go this way. Ooh, nice. But no, this way. This way's better. Ah, wow. How am I doing? Come on, don't miss! Alright then. No. Ah! That's okay. Seriously? This way. No! He made that sound. He made that sound and I thought he's dead. So close. I know I'm getting close. I'm gonna take my shirt off. Hold on. I'm feeling very hot. I'm getting the sweats. Okie doke. Wow. Much better. Much better. Okay, it's a good thing no camera's on. Honestly, I'm sweating. No guns, naked run. I know, right? Let's go. I can do this. The thing is, I have to keep doing this every single time. Watch the cutscene and push the button. I wonder if it would have made any difference if it was on easy mode. This isn't on normal, huh?
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
Alright, so I'm gonna drag him this way. Ah! Oh, seriously? Alright, and then I want to drag him this way. Because this area is kind of bigger because there's no control panel that gets in the way. Okay. Oh, come on, really? Oh, wow. Oh, really? Oh. No, this time it was a bad one. This time I had a series of bad lucks. I couldn't hit him, but he could hit me. That's fine. If Leonese gives you 3 first aids and the items at the start of the game, that's an improvement. But I'm wondering how many hits, if it affects the amount of hits. Let's say William takes, I don't know, 20 hits with a knife. Will it make it 15 on easy? That's my question. But anyway, this one was bad. I'll try again. But it doesn't feel impossible, huh? I mean, it's there, I'm doing it. It's just... I need some good luck as well. Hey, True! Mean look only. How are you, True? Nice to see you.
Ada, can you hear me?
Thank you for the retweet,
Come on,
by the way.
snap out of it.
Alright, I made it this far, True, as you can see, just with a knife. But this guy is kicking my butt. Yeah, that's if I don't make it, I'm gonna give this another half an hour. I'm gonna keep going at it for another half an hour. If nothing happens, if I still don't kill him within another half an hour, I'm gonna call it a day and watch a few runs and come back next time. Come on, this way, sucker. And now this way. There we go. No, no! I thought I used it. Alright. Oh, come on, seriously? Son of a biscuit! He's not auto-turning! It's not working! Stupid. I'm so close, but I'm not doing it! God dang it! Man, I'm so close. Oh man. So just stopping for a minute, busy day today, to make up for doing nothing all week. Really? Okay. I'm gonna take a breather. I'm gonna change position and make myself comfortable. I'm gonna sit on the floor now, see if it makes any difference. Okay. Yeah, I keep thinking I almost had it. Alright, let's try again. Where am I? Sakura, you get that dang outbreak working? Oh my goodness, see, I have no idea how much she's complaining that she can't get it to work. I told her to give up. I don't want her to stress out. She's Anyway, is she still here? Hold on. Let me scroll up a little bit. Yeah, she is. True, you cabbage. Oh, yesterday True stream was very epic, huh? It was really epic. That part when Marguerite comes out of the window. That was a good jump. Doggy's probably pants related. They should remove them. I removed my shirt. Wow, I'm gonna play strip Resident Evil. All right, come on. Strip Resident Evil. That's a good challenge. I play Resident Evil. Strip Resident Evil. Each time I get damaged, I take an item of clothing. With the face cam, of course. Oh man. Mac Knight's gonna look up how many hits needed for the boss. Thank you. Thank you. But yeah, again, I want to remind you all that this is my first time attempting knife only. This is my first time, and I didn't even do any research. Strip Resident Evil. No, my next Resident Evil challenge is going to be either with the chilies or with the tequila shots. But once I hit 1.5k subs. Yeah, so I came into this game with a knife only without doing any research, really. I watched a few videos, but it was for the first scenario, not this one. I'm playing the second scenario because I wanted to avoid the croc. The crocodile has a one-hit kill, and I don't like that. Let's go. You know what I'm gonna do? Ah, dang it, never mind. Get it, sucker. I hit him once. Ah! Oh my goodness. I wanted to hit him once before I ran away. That didn't work. That's fine. Ah! Ah, danger already. life thing! I'm still fine. Good, 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 good. Come on, sucker. Come get it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try it again. The thing. Whoa! Right behind me! Ah! That's not good. You cheated, man. It's fine. God dang it. That's okay. Look, he didn't auto-aim! Oh, you suck, game. You suck. You suck a lot. And drip. Motorboating. Brrr. Now I was like, oh no, look at that. That's a new one. Wow. Yeah, I think McKnight is looking that up right now. I don't know. I don't know how many it takes, and I'm playing it on normal, so I don't know if it makes a difference. 46 times? What? No, that doesn't sound right. 46 times. 46 times. That doesn't sound right. No way. Really? How many does it take? How many licks does it take to get to the center of a tire? I don't know. 46 apparently. That's insane. No, if that's the case, I'm never gonna do it. This is as far as I'll get. I can't. 46? Use the hacks. I counted 9 on vloggy. That's not even 1/3, 1/4. Oh man, that's not even 1/4. Man, really? That much? That many? No, no hacks. If I'm gonna do the challenge, what's the point of doing? I'm glad I made it this far anyway. One more time. Let's try one more time. 46 times. 9 down, 37 to go. That's not even funny. You know how I said I'm gonna make myself a drink if I do beat this boss? No drink for you!
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
$46, man, that's insane. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna try it. Set the video on Discord. Thank you! By the way, True, are you still here? I don't think so. I think you are. Are you still here, True? So far he got 1 hit on me and I'm still 46 down. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not even hitting him. Did I get 6? 7, 8, 9, 10. No! This is cheap. Oh, come on, I can't hit him. good. That attack is not good. Get up! Get up! What are you doing? Time out? Ah, god damn you. Freaking. Okay. That does it. What if you... you're lying. Okay. I was taking it seriously. I was like, what? There's a weakness? Alright. Alright, so Drew's still here. I wanted to know... Can you get that guide up to set up Outbreak and post it 30 to go? I only did 16, 30 to go. I'm not even halfway there. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, somebody say a prayer. Anyway, Drew, can you post the guide to set up Outbreak in Amy's Discord, please? So that Albert Wesker can take a look at it, see if he can do it perhaps. Maybe Albert can join us. Having Albert... Oh, oops. He's still at work. Maybe he can set it up and maybe he can join us. It would be awesome if we have Wesker with us. Yes, sir. Wesker playing Outbreak? Yeah, maybe he can join us. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe he can set it up. This is April Fool's. No! It'd be so awesome if we can play, you know, all of us in the police station running around, collecting stuff. Met on Outbreak, hell freezing over, lol. Why are you saying that? Come on. If you can get it to run more than 50, it's PS2, so 50 FPS should be fine. I'm gonna try one more time, one last time, guys, one last time, and then I'm gonna end the stream. I already know I'm not gonna do it, but I'll try. And I'll look up a strategy before I continue next time. But this was fun. I'm very satisfied. I challenge anybody to get this far with a knife. Well, not anybody, not the champions. The champions and the speedrunners and the, you know, dude, I'm running Windows 95. You know what? Last week I downloaded Windows 95. I was thinking of installing it on my computer just for fun. Because I miss Windows 95. 98, really? 98. Oh man, whenever I try to emulate PS2 games, it's sluggish. But there's a few settings how you can improve the game, actually. There's a few things you can switch on and off. Because I think you underestimate your computer, actually, Wesker. I think. I haven't seen it, but...
Ada! Ada!
You never had any performance problems, I think, with your streams. There you go, you got a decent laptop. I think I saw a picture of it once. So I got 16 hits last time, eh? I'm gonna try something else, hold on. I'm gonna try a new strategy. Maybe it works, I don't know. I don't think it will, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try a new... I'm ready for Outbreak. Mac Knight, how about... Let's see if we can do it tomorrow. We'll see. No promises. We can try tomorrow. We can go for it tomorrow. We shall see. I'm gonna try something. I don't know. No, not here. Come over here. Get over here. He's gonna jump, is he? No, I can't try something new. His attacks are strong! Oh, no, it doesn't work. No, it doesn't work! I don't know why I didn't move. Yeah, I tried the wall hacks. Yes, that's what I tried to do actually, yes. That's what I tried to do. I don't know, just standing there, knifing him without dodging and stuff. Seems to be working okay, to be honest with you. If only I had more healing, but seems to be okay, huh? Let's try one last time. Keep saying one last time. This is the one last time. I tried the wall hacks, yes, but no. Apparently he hacks. He hit me through the wall. But my knife, no, just kept bouncing back. It's okay. Even though I wanted to hack, I can't do any Game Shark or cheats or whatever because I'm playing on this on the PlayStation. On the PlayStation. Let's go. I wish I could use the rocket launcher and blast him. I will blast you with my Big Bang attack!
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
Okay, okay. I'm gonna try something else, hold on. I went in reverse. Whoa! Right behind me, dang it. Oh, did you see how cheap that was? Oh, come on, the auto aim doesn't work. I'm already on danger. No, that's it. Didn't work. Come on, auto aim. No, never mind. I didn't even bother healing. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna end it here because this is not gonna get anywhere. I need to look at a video how it's done or something. And then I'll try it again next time. Oh, and it's too much. It's too much. 46 hits. Seriously? I can't wrap my head around that. That's too much. That's too much for me to handle. Too much hotness. Rage quit. No, I'm not really rage quitting, honestly. It's not a rage quit. I wouldn't call it a rage quit. Yeah, I'm gonna look at the strategy because it feels like I'm doing something wrong, or maybe I'm doing the right thing. I don't know. Maybe I need to start over and maybe get more healing next time. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna look it up. I'll see how I can improve it. And I'll come back to it. I want to beat this game. I'm gonna beat this game on knife. Second scenario. I don't want to go for the first scenario because there's the alligator and that's impossible. I mean, it's not impossible, but I cannot handle that. But I think I can do the second scenario for sure. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Enough rambling. I will look at that video, McKnight. Thank you so much. Haha, you gave the old college... What? Drive. Look, what you talking about? Thank you, Esker. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I tried my best to make it entertaining. You know, I challenge you, Esker, to to get as far as I did, at least. Yeah, maybe you can surpass me. Surpass my Saiyan strength. Alright, I'm gonna go. See you guys next time. Take care, guys. Bye. Ciao.